ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar's break above 76.85 fuels the rally on to a resistance around 77.50. From this bearish shooting star, it does look like the market can pull back. However, we want further confirmation to support this downside move, and that would be from a break of 76.80. Beneath there looks towards next target of 76.60, although very close. This would actually negate any upside threat at all if we move beneath there and look back towards 75.95. In light of the market's rejection from that 77.5, I feel that the bears will be watching closely, because if we get a failed attempt again towards that region, that would reaffirm that we may have found a potential top, and then look for this move eventually back down towards the low 76 region. So in the next 24 hours, we need to see how this plays out. Well, the euro broke above 111.60 overnight, however, fails to produce any bullish momentum, and instead is now just consolidating around this 111.80-90 region. Initially, I feel that the market has not produced enough momentum to fuel the rally on to the designated target of around 112.30 to 112.80-90. Therefore, a move back under 111.25 would actually reinstate the downside and then look back towards that objective that I hold from the beginning of the week of 109.50.75. Any fresh advances above 112 would be viewed now as a potential short position. Well, dollar yen couldn't sustain or defend that level of 101.30. From the breach, now looks for a move down towards 100 to 130, with a key view that if we see a move beneath there, then 98.60 is the next objective. However, sub 100 may see the BOJ intervene, because the last two attempts underneath this region were only there for a matter of minutes and then recovered very quickly. So we could see this pattern emerge again. However, playing from a short position, sub 100 could get to 98.60 very quickly. So it'll be all hands on where we go in the next sort of 12 hours. Any advances towards the upside may find a cap now around 101.50. Sterling's attempt to rally yesterday didn't actually sustain, and now back closer towards the 130 region. Overall, I still feel from the break of 130.15 looks for a further downside slide, with the objective holding towards 128. Any advances on the day, I view the resistance roughly around 130.45 with a firmer resistance seen around 130.90. Well, gold yesterday produced a bullish momentum to get to its target of 1,350, and then after hitting a high of around 55 to 57 has actually weakened back to the low of 42. Technically, we're in a bearish stance, and I'm looking for a pullback further to possibly to a target of 13.36. Now, do note beneath there that key level of 13.28 is important. If we go through that level, then reopens back towards 1,300, which is the bullish platform. So the next 24 hours, we need to keep a close watch in either 36 does hold, and then beneath that 28, or as I say, 36 should see a bounce back up towards the resistance around 50 to 13.56. Well, oil, after breaking above that down channel, couldn't sustain and now falls heavily overnight to around 41.90. Initially, from this outside range, 4 hour, could see further weakness back down to the lows around $40 a barrel. Any advance on the day should find resistance capped around $43 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy your day ahead.